It's 9:30. I feel like I've accomplished so much already today. I've done the laundry, taken the garbage out, made breakfast, cleaned up the kitchen. I'm just trying to do like a reset today because I don't know, something about this week just really got me behind. I'm so behind on schoolwork. I'm behind on household stuff. My apartment is a disaster. And I just want to go into this upcoming week with everything in order for once. A little bit of an update because I haven't posted in a few weeks. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't really get many of my life updates. Things have been worse, but they've also been better. I mean, if you don't know, somebody really important and close to me in my life died in November, and it was tragic, and it is tragic, and it's been really hard. And if you want more information on like how I've been dealing with my grief around Regis's passing, you can watch my last few videos. But I'm just trying to keep my mind as creative as possible. And as time goes on, new struggles arise. My feelings towards the entire situation change very often. And it's hard to almost keep up and figure out what I'm really going through at the moment and how I'm feeling and what I need. It's more so a little bit easier to figure out what you don't need. So I've been kind of relying on pointing out the things I don't need versus trying to piece together what I need. Yeah, that's just a little bit of a life update. I'm in the midst of my last semester at FIT, which is bittersweet. Yeah, life is a little hectic right now at the same time as being very mundane and very repetitive. Right now, I'm waiting for my laundry to finish. In the meantime, I'm honestly just gonna sit here and finish my coffee. most amazing shower of my life. My skin was starting to literally peel off because of how dry it's been getting. So I did the most intense like body care routine. My whole body's been itchy, my face has been itchy, my scalp, just because it's been so dry. I really needed that. I was in the shower for like 40 minutes and I usually don't take 40-minute showers. I'm gonna do my skincare. The best part about exfoliating and putting like serums and lotions and oils on my skin is it makes my tattoos look so good. Okay, I'm doing an awful job. Like smooth and just bold looking. Did homework for like an hour and a half. I finished 4 assignments. That was pretty good. I'm impressed with myself. Usually I don't stick to something that long. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna make some lunch. It's 1:30. Yeah, I'm taking it easy today. And I decided to do homework at home. It was actually snowing earlier, so I was like not going out. And it wound up working out. I just really needed to focus. Let's make some lunch. Oh my god, look at this tofu. Hi, oh my goodness, it has been hours. It is literally dark outside. I didn't do much for the rest of the day. I actually worked on editing this video and I went to TJ Maxx. That was literally it. I needed a new organizer for my skincare, amongst other random things you buy when you go to TJ Maxx. My friend asked me if I wanted to go to a party with him. I never really go out anymore. Like it's just not... It's not something that I necessarily enjoy. I'm gonna get ready and go to this party, I guess. I have to work in the morning, so we'll see how I do. We'll see how I do. My day wound up being way slower than I thought it was gonna be, which I am not mad about at all. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but maybe I'll get some footage on my phone, and then I will see you guys back here tonight when I get ready for bed. is 11:50. I have to work early tomorrow. So I decided to come home early. It was so good to see my best friend Keon. I also got to see Sid and Sid's friends before I left. I was gonna stay a little longer. I was gonna leave at midnight. I was just feeling honestly a little overwhelmed and anxious, and I'm not super big on parties in the first place. Dealing with grief, it makes every single thing feel overwhelming. So every time I do choose to like go out or try to step out of that comfort zone, I always like, I just can't do it. It's so hard. I'm trying to take baby steps, but also listen to myself when I'm just over it and ready to leave. I'm so glad I got to see Keon. I have not seen him much lately. Our schedules are like chronically opposite. I think overall today was okay. It was good to reset and kind of just take some time for me. I love spending time by myself, but I think it's really important to find comfort in being alone.